Huawei Nexus 6P front camera, and headphone jack replacement.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down the Huawei Nexus 6P smartphone. Eject the Nexus 6P Nano SIM card tray. Apply heat to the plastic panel located at the bottom of the Google phone. Insert the precision knife underneath the plastic panel and create enough space to fit a playing card. Work the playing card under the plastic panel and remove it from the Nexus 6P. Apply additional heat as needed. Now turn your attention to the tight-fitting glass panel at the top of the Google phone. Apply heat, and then with the precision knife, create enough space to fit a playing card. Carefully slide the playing card under the glass panel and peel it off. Apply additional heat as needed. With the fine tip curved tweezers, remove the two tamper evident seals. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Use the precision knife to create space and insert a plastic triangle opening tool. Use the triangle opening tool to release the clips and pop the Nexus 6P out of its rear enclosure. Remove the following Phillips screw, and then the metal bracket. Detach the battery connector from the motherboard. Disconnect the signal cable from the motherboard. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws. Use the tweezers to remove the metal bracket, protecting the Nexus 6P front-facing camera and headphone jack. With the spudger, detach the headphone jack from the motherboard
and remove it from the Nexus 6P. Disconnect and pull out the 8-megapixel front-facing selfie camera.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.